So I have created a metal foundry for recycling battery lead. Here's what it's got. So I've got basically a burn box with my crucible in there and an outlet pipe. I've got to keep it hot because the flux, I don't have a secondary output for the flux, it's just too small. So I'm using lime for flux, and I got to keep it hot, otherwise it's not wanting to flow. But yeah, so I'm able to get probably 85% recyclability of batteries. I haven't calculated it yet, and I kind of want to do so. I got to wait for my graphite crucible to come in, but I'm using a steel one right now. It's doing okay. It'll run for about 4 or 5 hours before it needs to be replaced. But yeah, so you can see the rate that I'm getting. And I'm literally just feeding. I separated out the batteries. I'm using golf cart batteries, so heavy deep cycle with a lot of lead. Carefully separating them out, wearing gloves, PPE, etc. And just putting the material in there, folding it up, putting it in there in the crucible, and adding some charcoal, using lump coal, royal oak, and doing that. So I'll report later.